Hey, I'm Paul with Rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Clamp base roof rack system for the 2019 through 2022 Audi A6 four-door sedan. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Clamp foot pack set of four and the WingBar Evo load bars set of two, offered in either silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of four of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and four molded rubber base pads. These both have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet that's included with the fitting kit. And we'll show how those work with each of the feet. So here's a sample of one of the feet. We'll just remove the outer cover. And here you'll see how we have a sticker that we've applied that identifies this foot as the front left position. And so you would just look at the instruction sheet and find the numbers that correspond to that position and just press the rubber base pad to the underside around the perimeter and press the door frame bracket into that assembly with a click. And there you've installed one of the sets of the fitting kit. Now, within the foot, you have these two tabs that you press against, and that will allow us to slide the load bar into the top of the foot. Let's do that next. So this is the WingBar Evo load bar. We've cut this one down so that you can see the construction. This is extruded aluminum with a sophisticated box beam construction. There is this dedicated track that's accessed from the end cap by opening the end cap, and certain carriers slide directly into that with the hardware, so you have a very clean, integrated method of attachment for certain carriers. Now, when it's time to install the foot, you just remove this end cap, and you have a slot here that the foot will slide into, and you have a measuring device. This measuring device has scale numbers, which correspond to the numbers assigned to each foot position on the bar, and you would just slide that to the correct number, and then slide the foot into place, which we'll do next. So here we have the foot. We just press in on that silver tab and then slide it into the slot, bring it down to the tab on that measuring device, and then you've installed that foot there. Now you do have some exposed area here where you want to fill that in with the supplied rubber that you just cut to fill in that space. And then we can return the end cap into position. That just presses back on. Okay, and then when it's time to install this onto the vehicle and tighten this door frame bracket, you have a tool that Thule has provided with the foot pack that tightens that fastener. And once it's fully tight, this handle will click, indicating that you've reached the correct tightness. Now you can go ahead and replace that outer cover. Just snaps into position. Give that plastic plug a quarter turn to hold that on. You can replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder. These metal lock cylinders are sold in matched sets. A set of four will lock up all four of your towers, but you can also get more of these lock cylinders so that you can not only have your roof rack locked with the same key, but also the carriers that you've added to the roof rack can all be secured using the Thule one key system lock and core. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo Clamp base roof rack system for the 2019 through 2022 and likely beyond Audi A6 four-door sedan. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at Rackattack.com. Please see the links in the video description for all your buying options for this roof rack, as well as more assistance with a detailed video for the installation on a vehicle. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.